Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some seared hearts of palm scallops. Hearts of palm taste great straight out of the can or jar, but by adding a nice sear to it, it adds another layer of flavor. We're also going to be cutting them as scallops, which makes for a fun play on a vegetarian dish. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. We're gonna be using 1 jar of hearts of palm. Start by draining the brining liquid. Next, we're gonna be cutting the hearts of palm into scallop-sized sections. Line up all those soldiers and brush the tops with olive oil. Heat up a skillet and add the hearts of palm pieces, oil side down. While they sear, brush the other side with the olive oil. Once the first side is nicely colored and seared, flip to sear the other side. And the hearts of palm scallops are ready. Today I'm serving the hearts of palm with some creamy corn, which I'm gonna leave the link to the recipe in the description below. I'm also adding some seared pearl onions, a pecorino cheese twill, and a drizzle of parsley oil. I hope that you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.